Hey, good morning, Math Be Real here. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about perfection. Especially in mathematics, a lot of you out there are perfectionists. You want things to be just right. But in order for us to take action, or in order for us to not be completely discouraged, we have to compromise with perfection. Because we are never going to be perfect unless we put in our 10,000 hours of action to get to that perfection. People aren't good overnight. Italy wasn't built. Rome? You know what I mean, right? So, make a compromise with perfection today. Just get started. With that said, let's take a look at some calculus.
As always, make sure you stop the video so you can do this problem yourself. So it looks like I have a function. I want to find the maximum value of f on the interval. So I need to go ahead and find the biggest y value between 0 and 6. So if you had like a graphing calculator, you could do this, but this is probably a non-calculator problem, so I'm going to have to use calculus. So go ahead and take the first derivative, look for any critical numbers. That'll give you some local extrema. I get 5 and negative 1 when I go ahead and solve it. So negative 1 is not in my interval, so I'm going to go ahead and just select 5. So when I select 5, I'm going to go ahead and plug it into my derivative to see if it's a minimum or a maximum. When I take a look at the left and the right side, I actually get a minimum for 5. So I really only need to test the endpoints, which is 0 and 6. So I'm looking for the y value that my function gets when I put in 0 or 6. When I put in 6, I end up getting negative 15 times 6, which is a super negative number. I circle 6, but that's not correct, obviously. 0, 0 is my maximum on f.